This is how I have approached every other donor meeting that I've ever had. I've been talking too much. So, you know what that then makes you think. You first think, how many gifts have I missed over the course of time because I simply talked through it? I missed a gift. But it dawned on me that first of all, I was not listening, but that I was simply listening to respond, and I was not listening to understand, which of course is the definition of active listening. I was not doing that. I was so focused in that specific story, in that example, that I was only thinking about, I need to share all of this stuff about the organization. I need to share all of this stuff about the naming opportunity, that I missed the key element, and that was listening to the donor.